Hey there, fellow Trello enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to print your Trello board in 2025. With Trello's ongoing updates, printing has become even more seamless, perfect for turning your digital boards into tangible plans for meetings, brainstorming sessions, or just keeping things organized on paper. Whether you're a project manager, student, or hobbyist, this quick guide will have you printing like a pro in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Trello account on a desktop or laptop. Mobile printing isn't as straightforward, so we'll stick to the bigger screen for best results. Once you're in, navigate to the board you want to print. It's that simple grid of cards you've been working on. Now, look for the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of your board. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down with various options. Scroll down until you find Print or Export. In 2025, Trello has made this even more prominent for easier access. Select Print Board from the menu. This will open a preview where you can customize what shows up. For instance, you might want to hide certain labels or focus on specific lists to keep it clutter-free. Next, in the Print Preview window, use your browser's print settings to tweak things like page layout, orientation, or even scale. Trello allows you to choose between color or black and white printing, which is great for saving ink. If you prefer a digital copy, look for the option to export as a PDF instead. It works just like printing but gives you a file you can save or share. Hit that Print button, and voila! Your Trello board will start printing. Depending on your printer, this might take a few seconds. One quick tip: if your board is huge, consider breaking it into sections to avoid overwhelming pages. And there you have it. That's how you print your Trello board in 2025. It's a game changer for visualizing your projects offline. If you run into any issues, double-check Trello's help section for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below with your favorite Trello hacks. See you in the next video.